Rescue 12. Respond to fall patient. 5504, Sunset Falls Drive. Cross streets of Treasure Falls Court. Rescue 14. Respond to sick person. 1902, East Fletcher Avenue. At Fletcher Coin Laundry. Cross streets are North 19th Street and North 20th Street. Engine 6. Respond to unconscious fainting. 7814, North Gomez Avenue. Cross streets are West Kenmore Avenue and West Marquette Avenue. Rescue 33, and Truck 46. Respond to chest pain initial response. 6521, Riverview Drive. In front of Lot 21. At Riverwoods Mobile Home Park. Cross streets are Meek Street and South US Highway 41. Engine 19, and Rescue 19. Respond to sick person. 6408, North Church Avenue. Cross streets are Legend Still Drive and Fowler Drive. Engine 13. Respond to fall patient. 7950, Gun Highway. At Sickles High School. Cross streets are Shelton Road and Broadstone Loop. Squad 14, and Rescue 5A. Respond to overdose. North 19th Street and University Square Mall. Cross streets are 11,700 11798, North 19th Street. Rescue 13. Respond to fall patient. 7950, Gun Highway. At Sickles High School. Cross streets are Shelton Road and Broadstone Loop. Rescue 20. Respond to breathing problems initial response. 6933, Lake Place Court. Cross streets are Lake Place. Engine 20. Respond to breathing problems. 6933, Lake Place Court. Cross streets are Lake Place Lane. Truck 5. Respond to fire alarm. 808, West Pierce Avenue. At Buchanan Baptist Church. Cross streets are Monet Drive and North Boulevard. Ladder 42, Respond to seizure initial response. 13550, South Village Rehab. At Colonnade at Carrollwood, formerly known as Brookdale Assisted Living Facility. Cross streets are Casey Road and Clubside Drive. Rescue 42. Respond to seizure convulsions. 13550, South Village Drive. Rehab. At Colonnade at Carrollwood, formerly known as Brookdale Assisted Living Facility. Cross streets are Casey Road and Clubside Drive.